Unfolding your potential. Understanding budding career. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English language. Today, we're diving into a common yet intriguing phrase, budding career. This term is often used but not always understood, so let's unravel its meaning together. A budding career refers to a career that is just beginning to show promise or potential. The word budding is metaphorically borrowed from botany, where it describes a plant that is starting to bloom. Similarly, a budding career is in its early stages of development, showing signs of future success. In this section, let's delve deeper into the botanical metaphor. A bud in nature is a young and undeveloped flower. The same applies to careers. A budding career doesn't mean a full-fledged professional journey but signifies the early, promising stages of professional growth. Now, let's put budding career into context with some examples. 1. She left her job to pursue her budding career in photography. 2. His budding career as a writer began with his first published article. These sentences show how the phrase is typically used to describe the early yet hopeful stages of a professional path. Understanding when and how to use budding career is crucial. This phrase is best used to describe professions or vocations that are in their nascent stages and have room for growth. It's often accompanied by a tone of optimism and expectation. Budding career carries a positive connotation and is often used in supportive and optimistic contexts. It's a phrase that transcends cultures, reflecting a universal understanding of career growth and potential. And there you have it. We hope this video has shed light on what a budding career means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Remember, like a budding flower, every career has its own pace and time to bloom. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more interesting phrases with you. Stay curious and keep learning.